Hello world. My name is Osman, and I'm coming to you from Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. In today's video, I'm excited to share a Python program with you that's designed to help you manage and securely store your passwords using CSV files. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your console and run the project.py script. You'll be greeted with a main menu offering two options: add new list and view available lists. These options allow you to perform various actions related to your password vaults. To create a new vault, select option 1 and hit enter. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your new vault. Once you've entered the name, the program will create a corresponding CSV file for your vault. But what happens if you try to create a vault with the same name as an existing one? Well, the program is smart enough to recognize this and will ask you whether you want to continue or not. You can type Y to continue creating a new vault with the same name or N to break out of the process. Let's choose Y to continue. And as you can see, a new vault with a unique name is created. Now, let's explore the available options further. When you run the program again and select View Available Lists, you'll enter a submenu with 4 options. 1. View all saved passwords in the list. 2. Add a new password to the list. 3. Update a password from the list. 4. Remove a password from the list. Let's start with option 1, View all saved passwords in the list. When you choose this option and select a vault, you'll see that it's currently empty. That's because we just created this vault. But don't worry, we'll add some passwords shortly. To add a password, select option 2, add a new password to the list. The program will prompt you to enter a website name and a password. After entering the details, you can go back to view saved passwords from the list and select your vault. Voila! Your saved password is now securely stored. Let's see how easy it is to update your passwords. Choose option 3, update a password from the list. Select the vault containing the password you want to update and provide the row number of the password you wish to change. The program will prompt you for a new password, and after confirming, your password is updated. After running View List Passwords from the list, you'll see your updated password neatly displayed. Now, what if you want to remove a password? Option 4, Remove a password from the list, has you covered. Simply select the vault, choose the row containing the password you want to remove, and confirm. The password is removed from your vault, as demonstrated. Thank you for joining me in this video explanation of the program. You can find the complete code in the video description below.